What's up guys? So today's video is obviously going to be my hair. As I was saying, I've been waiting so long to start the intro to this video, and as I start it, I get a... Okay. Anyway, today's video is going to be my hair care routine. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I promise I'm not this psycho in every intro. I am mainly normal for majority of the time. So I've told you guys multiple times that I was going to film a hair care routine because I get a lot of questions on how I keep my hair silvery, blonde, and how I keep my hair healthy considering I diet so often and I'm always wanting to change my hair and things like that. So today I'm going to be going through a lot of the products that I use and kind of a lot of things that I alternate because I don't always use the same hair products, but I like to alternate them. So it's just like my routine and what I do. So without me talking anymore, let's get into it. I'm gonna go take a shower. I'm bringing you guys with me in the shower, but don't get excited. I'm gonna be wearing a bathing suit. But I also have a spray tan right now, so that's why I need to get in the shower and rinse it off and then show you guys my hair care routine. So the first and most important product is my purple shampoo. This is Shimmer Lights. I get this at Sally's Beauty. It's really easy. It is a really deep purple shampoo. So if you guys have blonde hair and if you guys struggle with having your hair brassy after washing it a few times, I literally just apply this into my hair from root all the way to the ends, and I leave it in there for, I would say, about 2 minutes. I leave it in for 2 minutes and then I rinse it out. So you have to be really careful with this because as you guys can see, the purple shampoo is extremely purple. This shampoo does kind of act as a toner. You can see how dark it is in my hair. So if you do leave it in for too long, it will create like purple streaks and highlights all in your hair. So that's why I only leave it in for 1 to 2 minutes. And then I rinse it right out. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I feel like it does look a lot more silver and blonde, like right here. So it is really my favorite product for helping my hair out. Next up, I go in with a shampoo. These are both by the OGX brand. I alternate these, but today I'm going in with the green tea one. This one smells amazing. Obviously, every shampoo does different things, so I kind of just alternate whatever shampoos I use to how my hair is feeling and just what I'm needing. And also sometimes it just smells really good, which the green tea one from OGX smells amazing. And the charcoal one I also really like too, but just, I was feeling the green tea one, so that's what I went with. And I'm using this to kind of get any excess of the purple shampoo out of my hair. Fun, gross fact about me, I don't know if anyone else does this, but like when I get hairs that are loose, that are coming out, I literally put them on my shower wall so that they don't go down my drain and like clog it. And then I just like take a little napkin and throw them away after, but like yeah, gross. I can't believe I did that on camera. Okay, moving on. Next up for conditioners, I use all leave-in conditioners or hair mask in the showers. So this one is by OGX. This one is coconut oil. So these are the three that I will normally alternate. So the next one, this one is argan oil by Morocco. So I'll choose either 3 of these. This one is the Garnier Fructis one. It's coconut and pineapple, I believe. So I'll kind of look at my options and see which one I'm feeling that day, but I always use a hair mask in the shower. Today I decided to go in with the argan oil one just because I felt like I needed the more like hydrating feel for my hair. So basically these are just a leave-in mask. Obviously with any conditioner you have, you can do the same thing. You just apply the conditioner in. You guys can leave normal conditioner in for a little bit longer to make it smooth, but I just like to use these masks because I feel like they work better, and I always just put these in the ends of my hair first because that's where I normally have the most damage. It's just in my ends. I do a little bit on the top. You'll see I'm just like patting the top of my hair lightly because I do have tape ins, so I don't want to put a lot of conditioner at the top of my hair because it will loosen my tape ins up. But yeah, that's basically what I do, and then I'll wait a few minutes and then rinse it out. I ordered this stuffed crust pizza. It's really cheesy. Literally because I saw Trisha Paytas do a mukbang on it and it just looks so good. It's from Pizza Hut. I'm so excited about it. I just got out of the shower. I did my little skincare and now I'm eating my pizza. Okay, let me chill. Let me just get a sip. This is really cool. You guys want to see the real me? There she was. Okay, so I'm gonna take my hair out of my towel. Ooh, I don't know if you guys can actually tell. It looks a lot better when it's wet, but you guys, it looks so much whiter and blonder than it was. It's literally my favorite thing about showering is using that purple shampoo because it just looks so freaking good. By the way, this robe, everyone always asks me, I got it when I did the Too Faced, it says Too Faced on the back. I got it when I shot Too Faced Peach line a few years ago, maybe like a year or two ago, and they gave me this robe when I left, and I'm obsessed with it, and I always get comments about where the robe is from, and I'm sorry, I don't know. I also have a purple robe, and that one is from Tatcha, so I've never owned a robe, but I think Misguided sells like silk pajamas and things like that. Anyway, okay, so I have, oh my god, you guys can see so many products to talk to you guys about. So this is kind of like my main step that I like to do. Showering and using the right, you know, leave-in conditioners and things like that is really important, but these products are really like my go-to. Like these change like my hair routine completely. So I'm going to talk about a few of them. Obviously I'm not using all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 products right now. I'm only going to use like 3 or 4. So I just want to go over just a few of them so you guys kind of get an idea. So the first product that I always use, this is a go-to. I use it every single time I shower, no matter what. I will alternate some of these products around, but this one I never do. This is the L'Oreal Paris Elvive Total Repair 5. It is a protein recharge, so it's almond and protein. It is a leave-in conditioner for damaged hair, 97% less breakage, and 450 heat protectant. So basically, I have like a huge problem with the underneath of my hair. These pieces are always damaged, and I don't know if that's because I have short hair now, but I just take a little bit of the, like literally that much, rub it in my hands, and I immediately go and I do all the underneath pieces with this. This is just because I feel like those are the most damaged, and so that is for damaged hair. I like to just put it all on the bottom of my hair just to help that, because I think just because I put my hair in really low like ponies, like I always put them right here, or I put a bun right here, or if I do something high, I'm pulling these bottom hairs. They're just always so short and like literally this long. So I always try to put more damage repair, and they've honestly gotten longer. Like this one, I don't know if you guys can see, is longer, but it used to stop like right at the back of my neck. Okay, anyway, moving on. Love that. So the next thing that I like to do is a leave-in conditioner treatment, whatever. So I tried this out. This is the It's a 10 Miracle leave-in product. Everyone uses this. It makes your hair really soft. They actually have a blonde version of this. So it's actually like a yellow bottle. Actually, you guys will see the graphic here, but they have a blonde version. So if you guys do have blonde hair, I would suggest getting the blonde one because it essentially does the same thing, but it has more stuff to help you with that color hair. But the blonde one I left at my home in Texas, so I just used this one. This is the plain It's a 10 one. So I alternate kind of between these two. I'm not gonna say the name of this because I have no idea what it is. I got it in a PR package. It is in another language completely. Well, not completely, because some of it says. Okay, so it is a detangling milk and styling spray for thick hair. It offers protection, shine, and manageability. This is a miracle worker. When I got it, I died. I will try and find it. Obviously, you'll see if I found it. This is what I use so often. So I just spray this into my hair. I honestly don't know if it's expensive because I got it in like a very random PR package. It makes my hair really manageable because my #1 priority is brushing my hair out right after I get out of the shower. So I always need something to help be a leave-in conditioner and detangle it. This one is another dupe. It is the Not Your Mother's All Eyes on Me 10-in-1 Hair Perfector infused with natural keratin. It instantly transforms unmanageable hair. If you guys need a detangler, this is definitely something I would recommend. So I'm just gonna do this. I use a lot of product in my hair because you guys will see I want it to be like so smooth when I brush my hair out. I always do. These are my go-to. These are always the ones that I am always rotating. Honestly, I'm just gonna put the It's a 10 in here too, just for fun. Like, I'm telling you guys, I love making my hair. It just feels so soft afterwards. Okay, so moving on, these are a few products that I do use, but it's really depending on what I'm going for. So I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. So some of them I use for when I have already dried my hair or if my hair is dry. So I'm gonna go with those first. So this is very empty. If you guys can see, it's literally right there. This is the Moisture Vitamin B5 Weightless Oil Mist. So this is literally just an oil mist. It says drench and nourish every strand with this rich blend, blah blah blah. I'm not sure if you're supposed to use this when your hair wet or dry. I use it when it's dry. So if I have, say, been styling my hair a lot, maybe I have been curling it like every day the past few days, it starts to dry out and it's not as healthy. So if I'm going somewhere and it's looking like kind of like, oh, she's fried, I literally just like spray a little bit of this oil mist in there, and it really helps bring life back into it. But this is what I use if it's like serious dry hair. Like literally, if my hair, because my hair sometimes will get so freaking dry, like it just looks, oh, it literally makes me sick thinking of how dry my hair gets. So I take this is the Keratis Paris Nutritive Oleo Relax. This is an anti-frizz, smoothing and controlling care, dry and rebellious hair. So it's literally just an oil. I put a little bit onto my hands. I rub it all through my hair. Say I've curled my hair and then 2 days later I like didn't wash it. I wanted to keep the curls going. It starts to get dried up and like brittly. If you guys struggle with that, or maybe you have like really curly hair and you need to put some oil in it to make it not so frizzy, this is really good. This is the Keratis one and I love this. I use this like way more often. I use this if I'm just like on the run, but this one is like, okay, she needs help. She's really dry. The next thing that I like to use, this is the No Blow Dry, No Big Deal. This is a cream by Redken. So if some of you guys, which I personally don't blow dry my hair, I actually have tape-ins. You guys, I don't know if you guys can see them, but I have tape-ins. I have 2 right here and then I have 2 right here. So I am supposed to blow dry my hair every single time after I take a shower, because if I leave, if there's any excess conditioner or my leave-in conditioner, it can actually loosen the tape and it will slide more, so it makes me have to go get them moved up quicker. If you guys have tape-ins, so you didn't know that, you should always blow dry your hair after you shower. Don't be like me. I don't blow dry my hair because I'm lazy and I don't like to damage my hair. I don't like adding that much heat onto my hair. So this is what I use when I am not gonna blow dry my hair. It's just a cream that helps you style it, and it says it is for medium hair, air styler, easy dry, natural style, blah blah blah, no product. Provides easy and soft air hair with effortless control and movement to hair without a blow dryer. So if I'm going to sleep with wet hair, if I go to sleep with wet hair, I wake up and it's like all crazy. Instead, I put this in it, and this will help it be a little bit more smooth and not look like I let it just like dry throughout the day. You feel me? Okay, anyway, moving on. I'm just always getting questions about my hair because I feel like my hair is pretty healthy for the amount of times that I have dyed it over the years, especially like most of the hair, like my hair lady and then my guy back in Houston, they always tell me like your hair is actually not really dead for like having that much dye and all of my heat and everything that I do to it. Like my hair lady is always like, your hair works so well. Like I always go in and it's like healthy and fine, grows fine, it's whatever. So that's just all of my tips. Those are all of my products. That's what I use. I don't take any hair vitamins anymore. I used to take hair vitamins, but if you guys are interested, you guys can watch my skincare routine. You guys know I don't take hair vitamins anymore. Every once in a while, I might take biotin. I don't take it consistently because I don't really know if it works. But other than that, this is my hair. That's it. I am not going to blow dry it because it will literally be so fried, and then I'll have to put this stuff in it if I blow dry it. So thank you guys so much for, there's a hair in my mouth. What the, where is it? Oh, I got it. Okay. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. You guys can always follow me on Instagram and Twitter because I am always posting on there, and I love like getting to talk to you guys on Instagram, getting to talk to you guys on Twitter and things like that. So I hope you guys liked this week's video, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.